brought here by random. Of course. Of course she had to drag me into some shit like this. Anyway, so what we're doing is reacting to something called gacha cringe. I honestly have no idea what that is, and, well, I guess we're about to find out.
Say you want someone.
What's this?
Said you want someone. I swear to God, this girl.
Why is your name Nya-chan? Whatever that means. And why is this dude in a skirt exactly? Anyway. Oh my dear heavens. That is the most cross-eyed looking lady ever. Oh my dear. Okay, for the love of the Vanilla Kingdom. What? And why? Where's this dude's shirt? Why are you being that? No, it's sad that you're a cat too. A disgrace to feline kind. A disgrace, a disgrace, a disgrace. Okay, anyway.
She's crazy, but she is mine. Damn, I lose my mind. She's dancing every night, singing sha-la-la-la.
Okay.
Crazy, but she is mine. Damn, I lose my mind. She's dancing every night, singing
Okay, this is
sha-la-la-la.
bad. This is really bad. Girl, what? I've been hate you even if I don't dance. Also, you're a cat demon thingy. Oh, sir, your movements. Sir, your movements. Did your limbs like detach in the process of that? Oh my god, I'm gonna need to know it later. I really am. Okay, anyway. Oh, gross. Oh, heavens help me. Oh. Wow, it's really bad if a beast can't handle this.
Hello, my name is...
No. I don't want to continue with this. I really don't. No. Do I gotta? Fine.
Ms. Amy, and this is Jake. We're both pansexual, and he's transgender, and we're better than anybody
That's a lie. Who lied to you?
else. And I'm cuter than...
Who lied to you? Like, are their eyes okay? Okay, anyway.
than anybody in the world.
Ew.
Yes, honey? Are angels flying? Yeah, they're flying.
Oh. So they don't know what human anatomy is. Nor... Yeah, they don't know what that is. Anyway.
Why? Daddy calls Nanny an angel. When will she fly? In short time.
So, this isn't something I would love to see at all. In fact, this is the worst thing I think I could see ever. It's really bad. I don't like this. Their faces aren't on properly. Yeah, no.
I need your love.
I don't like that. I don't like that. I really don't.
I need your love. I need your love. I need your love.
I need your
No. No. Just no. No, ma'am. No. No, I don't want to look at that. I really don't. But I guess I got to. It's a wolf demon thingy. Oh, dear lord. It's a freaking animal demon hybrid.
love. I need your time.
Heavens help. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm definitely getting vanilla therapy. Anyway.
Since you guys think
They're right. You are. Whatever that means.
I'm cringe, I've decided to show you who's boss.
So,
Don't mess with me.
you're another wolf demon hybrid thingy. Love that. Not. That's sad, honestly. So I've come to the realization. This world can make horrible things, and this is one of them. No, ma'am. Please. Please know how to walk at least. Like the last gotchas were. Oh my god, you don't even know how to walk. What in the world? Did you just scoot on the ground? Like, no. No, no, no. I have to be tripping. You did not just scoot on the ground. Oh my god. Oh, I don't. Oh, no. 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 I don't want to react to this no more. I really do not want to react to this no more. No. No, no, no. No, 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 no. I don't want to react to this. But I guess I gotta. What in the world? What in the world? Okay. Oh my god. That is a badly, badly drawn human being. Oh, that sucks. Oh, oh. Gross.
Hello, guys.
No, ma'am. Nope. 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 Nope.
And welcome to my TikTok. And
I don't want to be welcomed into your whatever TikTok is.
if I don't get 10 million likes, I will be mad.
I don't understand this like system at all. What is that exactly?
And you don't want
You look like you're high. I'm not even gonna lie.
to see me when I'm mad. Also, if you hate on me or think I'm cringe,
Yeah, you really are. Whatever those mean. Well, I know what hate is, but I don't know what, well, cringe is.
cringe. You better watch out for my BF.
What is he? Some fictional guy named Jake with red hair and black, with red and black hair? I hope I did not just predict that.
He will kill you.
Das right.
Oh, I definitely predicted that. Okay. Don't lose your sanity, Dark Cat. Do not lose your sanity, Dark Cat. Do not lose your sanity, Dark Cat. Whew. Okay.
BBG. If you come close to her, you will die. So watch out.
Grammar. Fix it. Now.
Watch out. Die.
Bye.
No. Oh my god. Okay, that grammar was decent. This isn't. What does, like, half of this even say? Girl, I need bleach from looking at this video. No, ma'am. This is out of my sight. Right now. Out of my sight. All of it. Out. No. Outro. Oh! It's whatever TikTok is. I don't think it needed an outro.
Hi, Ma.
Again. Even Truthless is in this emo. Ooh, vanilla sake, vanilla sake, vanilla sake, vanilla sake. Okay.
My name's Emily. You might think that
You're not cute. I understand Japanese. In fact, I'm multilingual. Anyway, second of all, whatever smexy means, I don't know what that means.
I'm smexy or kawaii. Well,
I know who that is, though. Isn't that the demon from freaking Spooky Month that tried to kill the two kids?
I'm dating Bob Veslub from Spooky Month. You stupid losers.
Oh, yeah, we're totally stupid. And we're totally losers. Even though Uno reverse.
Here's proof.
Oh.
Get me off this planet.
Oh, real. Real. Please get me off this planet, too. Oh, no.
Planet. I mean
Oh,
she's.
right.
Mine touch
You
her
gotta
in.
stick to the fact. I'm so
You
sorry,
die.
dude. Right. So we're gonna continue with this because I don't know what's happening. So a crime scene happened here. And honestly, I don't care. I could actually care less. These characters look ugly. And why are they all in a room together? That is a question that'll never get answered. Okay. Oh, okay. No. No, no. You look terrible.
If someone says shut up,
Are you a ghost now? Weren't you just a fairy earlier? Being like, she was a fairy. Or whatever the kids say nowadays. I don't know. So what is one of their names? Popular caca? Why? Why? Why?
up, say, I don't shut up. I grew up.
You can't even spell I right. And it is a one-letter word. Wow.
throw up. And when I look at you, I throw up.
You can't even spell I right. Twice in that sentence, and you still spelled it horribly wrong. Holy dear vanilla, hold me back. Okay. Oh.
Throw up.
That is not possible. Also, your eyelashes. Oh, I'm choking on them. I am choking on those eyelashes. Those are terrible. Those are terrible eyelashes. Oh, that poor phone has to be... It has to go through that. That poor phone, bro. What am I hearing in my poor ears? No, ma'am. That has no right to happen. No. No. No, that has no right. No right to be this loud in my fucking ears. Those voices sound terrible too. I'm so sorry. No. Why? What is this monstrosity? Your eyes are falling off your head. Your glasses are too small for your eyes. Your mouth is not even on your face properly. And your nose is too close to your goddamn mouth. Also, your wings are way too small for your body. No. Just no. No. And your color scheme is ugly as fuck. Again, not even truthless is that emo. That sucks. That knife totally impaled him. That knife totally impaled him. Now, he has a possibility to survive because of the area it stabbed him at, but it stabbed him nonetheless.
I ever won. Toady.
Oh my god, that grammar's so fucking bad, bro. Oh, for vanilla's sake. Please.
Me you are gonna do an edit off me. Use this. By ye.
No one wants to edit you. Did you just gender swap out of nowhere? Also, you're supposed to be a cat. Oh, disgrace. Disgrace to feline kind. Ugh. Who is that? Who is that? Again, not even truthless is this emo. Well, at least your face is decent. And at least your hair color is actually a nice color. It's the dress, and is that a bunny tail while you're a wolf type situation? Also, I'm gonna need to rewind to see what she said, because that was probably way too fast. That went by way too fast. What did she say? Dance if you hate me. I'm actually not gonna dance. Considerably, you look like a nice person. I mean, the dress could use some work, but you look better than the others. I must say that. You look better than the others. Okay, your boyfriend looks ugly as fuck, though. But you, on the other hand, the girl that's crying sadly, her eyes are covered now, but her hair's still pretty decent. And that's shocking to say, considering what this is. I'm sorry, sir, but you look like a tomato. Actually, scratch tomato. You look like a blood clot. Also, you're another demon wolf thingy. Ew. Aw, man, and I was actually starting to like you too, girl. Oof, never mind. I take back all those nice words I said to her. Oh, nah. A, they're not even walking in there. B, they have no shirt on. And C, one of them has knives for hands. Oh, no. Here, is that even a... what? Okay, then. Grammarly. Use it. At least you can spell, but Grammarly.
So ugly. Do I look like a little idiot?
Never use that ever again in a sentence for vanilla's sake.
Tons EMO.
Not even Drizzles is that emo.
Jinky Christ.
At least you're a full demon this time. But, like, where's your shirt? You're in a school! Where is your shirt?
You're so hot, baby girl.
So that's what that stands for. Never using that again.
Girl.
It's Daddy Jake.
What does IK mean? What does that mean? Oh, spell that right.
Let's kiss baby girl.
Oh, no.
Let's kiss baby girl.
Oh, no, you said that twice.
I hate you.
Why did your voice change? Why'd your voice change all of a sudden? I just told you to never use that.
Die.
Sneaky Bobo Bear.
Bobo bear. Oh. Okay, first of all, he's not even a bear. He's a demon without horns. And second of all, he looks ugly. Along with you, Pinkamina looking thing. Actually, Pinkamina Diane Pie looks better than that. Okay. Anyway.
Where is mine? If you touch him, make out with him, talk to him, smoochy him, zoxo him.
I believe the XOXO means hugs and kisses. So there's that. Girl, I don't want your ugly ass man. Hold on. Everyone in the choir, say it with me. We don't want your ugly ass man. Let's continue.
Ha 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 ha.
Wow.
Not. Why won't you sing? Because
Okay, grammar. It is terrible.
singing killed my grandma, okay?
Oh.
Leave me alone.
My uncle broke his neck tap dancing. Once.
What the fuck? Anyway. Oh, this is almost over, thank God. Okay. Hey, Hoot Stoof. What does that one say? Hello, Hooties. Learn how to spell. Holy moly. Girl's eyes. Girl, learn to walk, please. Oh my God, what am I looking at? You red thing, you look ugly. Along with those bratty girls over there, it seems like. Actually, everyone in this whole entire thing is ugly. Well, I don't even need to say that anymore. Are you doing the dab and the big 25? You know what? Not even gonna judge. Okay. Oh, not this song again. What is that name? Random, I think you're gonna have to cover that up in editing. I'm gonna have to actually edit this video? God dang it. Oh, dear. Oh. Oh God, these look ugly. These look ugly. All of them look ugly. That name needs to be. Oh God, I need therapy. Oh, vanilla sake, Jesus Christ. Okay, try to calm down. Oh, we're done. Thank God. Okay, that is it. I do actually like y'all. Not like that. Anyway. I'm gonna go now. I'm going to go bleach my eyes. And get vanilla therapy. Anyway. Bye.